Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the next topic, determinants. In the matrices chapter, we left only one topic, that is finding the inverse of the matrix using row or column operations, that we'll see later on. Now see what is determinant of a matrix of order 2 by 2. So here I have taken the matrix A, A11, A12, A21, A22. So determinant of matrix I denoted with the data of A in the open bracket, or this with the within the bars I put A or delta. These are the notations for uh, writing the determinant of a matrix A. Now, how do you find the determinant of matrix A? As we know, matrix is represented in the closure bracket, but determinant of matrix is represented in the bars. So that's how you can differentiate whether it is a matrix is given or determinant of the matrix is given. Okay, so how do you find it? So the elements will be multiplied diagonally. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, elements will be multiplied diagonally, and then both the multiplications will be subtracted, like A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Here A11, A22, these diagonal elements will be multiplied, then subtracted, minus this diagonal elements will be multiplied. So after multiplication, whatever the number you'll get will be subtracted with this number. Okay, so take an example how to explain this one with the numbers. If I take A equals to this matrix of order 2 by 2, then you have to find determinant of A. As the definition, determinant of A is first diagonal elements will be multiplied 1 into 4. So here I multiplied 1 into 4 in the bracket. I kept in the bracket so that you can understand it easily. 1 into 4. As per the definition, it has to be subtracted, so I put the minus sign. Next diagonal elements are minus 2 into 3. So next diagonal element here is minus 2 into 3. Okay. So 1 into 4 is 4 here I kept. Now see, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 into minus. So minus into minus will be plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay. So you see, determinant of the matrix is not again a matrix. Determinant of matrix is a number. It can be positive, negative, fraction. Okay, it can be zero also sometimes. As totally it depend on the given elements in the matrix. What are the types of elements we have? If you take the elements here fractions, then your determinant of number also may come as a fraction. Sometimes determinant of a matrix also a zero. Entirely depending on the numbers which are there inside the matrix or determinant. Now this is the order of 2 by 2, how to find the determinant. Now if I go for 3 by 3 matrix, how to find the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. Now see here, we have taken the 3 by 3 matrix with A11, A12, A13 and so on till A33. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now here, determinant of A equals to, or mod of A equals to data of A. Any notation you can use. You don't need to write both. Any one you can use. Now here, this minus to the power minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, I'll explain next way. First see how to write these numbers. First element is A11. So put A11 here. Then the corresponding row and the corresponding column, if I remove, what is the left inside the matrix? These two are removed. The left one is this one. Okay, these 4 elements will be removed. So that's how I got the determinant of these two numbers, this matrix here. Understood? Then second element is A12. So I kept A12 here. Understood? After keeping A12, the corresponding row and the corresponding column, that is first row and second column, if I exclude, what are the other numbers are left out? The other numbers left out is A21, A23, A31, A33. So that's what I have written here. A21, A22, A31, A33. Right? Next element is A13. So I put A13 here. A13 I kept here. Then A13 means first row and third column, if I exclude in the matrix, first row and third column. What are the other elements are left out? Only these 4 elements will be left out. What are these 4 elements? A21, A22, A31, A32. So here I kept here. Okay. So first you have to understand how you have to do these numbers. Then before these numbers we have the -1 to the power 1 plus 1. This 1 plus 1 is because first row first column. Next one is -1 to the power 1 plus 2. Then because 1 first row second column A12. Next we have -1 to the power 1 plus 3, that is first row third column. Sorry. Okay. So this represents sign. This give me the signs before the determinant. Okay. Now move to the next step. Here the last one. -1 to the power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. -1 to the power 2 is plus 1. So that's why before A11 I have a positive sign. So then I kept A11 as it is. After putting A11, then I have to, you know how to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix now. A22, A33 minus A32 into A23. Now you look here, -1 to the power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. -1 to the power 3 is -1. Minus into plus is -1. So that's why A12 will become a negative sign. Into, and this is 2 by 2 matrix. We already discussed how to find A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23, and similarly here -1 to the power 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So -1 to the power 4 is plus 1. So that's why before A13 I have a positive sign. Then the determinant of this matrix is A21 A32 minus A31 A22. Okay. So then you know how to simplify these simple linear numbers. Okay. So first thing you have to do is I'll go for the first row determinant, finding the determinant of by using the first row. So first you have to keep A11 as it said A11 first one first column. If I exclude, what are the other numbers are left out? Keep other numbers in the determinant here. Then A12 is first row second column, first row and second column. If I exclude, what are the other 4 numbers are left out? So those 4 numbers will come here. Next one is A13 number. So A13, that means first row and third column. If I exclude these 2, what are the other 4 numbers are left out? So those 4 numbers will come in the determinant here. Okay. So you may have, why we have to do, instead of using this -1 to the power 1 plus 1 and all this every time, what you have to do is, if you are in the first row, the signs will come plus, minus, plus, alternative signs. Understand? Plus, minus, plus. So you can see here before A11 I have plus, before A12 I have minus, before A13 I have plus. So plus, minus, plus. If you write plus, minus, plus, automatically you can skip this -1 to the power 1 plus 1, -1 to the power 1 plus 2, -1 to the power 1 plus 3. These 3 numbers you can skip, no need to write. But if you are using the second row to find the determinant, you can use any row to find the determinant or any column also. Understood? Any row or any column you can use to find the determinant. Here I explain with the help of first row. If you use the second row, you have to keep in mind, in the first row I got the signs of plus, minus, plus, but if you use the second row, signs will be minus, plus, minus. Okay, because 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is the odd number, so first sign will be negative. 2 plus 2 is even, so sign is positive. -1 to the power 4 is positive, and 2 plus 3 is odd, so sign will be negative. So that's why if you use the second row to find the determinant, so the sign will be minus, plus, minus. If you use the third row, back to plus, minus, plus. So it keep on changes. Similarly, if you use the first column, the signs will remain as first row, plus, minus, plus. If you use the second column to find the determinant, even using the second column also you can find the determinant. If you use the second column, signs will be minus, plus, minus. And if you use the third column, plus, minus, plus. It's totally, you can look at the position of the number. You can decide whether it is positive or negative number I have to keep. Understood? Now we will take an example to find the determinant in the next video by help of 3 by 3 matrix. Thank you.